What's up, MBU? I got a question for you. So, on the family bank, in my dividend account right now, currently, today is September 6th. September 6th, 2025. And currently, my monthly average dividends are sitting around $262.55. Now, I just put in the money I made this past Friday. It was almost $1,000. I put that in here. The dividends at that time were at $242 and some change. So it was at $242 and change. Now, since I added that $1,000, it increased my dividend monthly from $242 to $262, almost $20 profit. Well, increase, $20 increase. Now, point to this is I want to show you when you go to margin and you go to borrow margin for your lifestyle, trips, whatever, investing, whatever it is that you have decided you want to do with the money. When you go to it, $1,000, I'm just doing this for an example to show you. $1,000 borrowed. Yes, they make it seem risky. Yes, they make it seem scary. But $1,000 borrowed on M1 at least would be $5.33 at the current rate they're at 640. Yours may be higher. I don't know how that works. I think I pay for something which makes mine cheaper. I'm not sure. Either way, it should be around $5 to $7 for $1,000 every single month. Now, my question to you is, are you paying for that? No. So when that bill is due, they're going to borrow again against themselves to make that payment. So you don't actually have to pay anything. And that's how it works automatically. You don't have to do anything. So it's going to look at your margin account. Let's say you borrow $1,000, but you still have, let's say, $2,000 in there. They're going to borrow the $5 that you owe from that $2,000 that will continue increasing every single time you purchase more dividends. Every time your stock increases from interest. Or combine, what's the word? It's slipping me right now. Wow, it slipped me. The word slipped me. But it's interest. The word slipped me, but if I remember, I'll say it again. But either way, the interest alone will increase, and that's a plus in itself, increasing your margin, your borrow power again. But in this, $5.33. Can this cover that? Let's forget this total amount. Let's just look at the $5.33. I just told you this was at $242 and some change with my deposit. If I were to take $1,000, it increased my monthly income by $20, and it only costs $5 to borrow $1,000. I received a $20 a month increase on my dividends, and they're going to charge me $5 a month for taking that money. Think about that. Buy, borrow, die. And when you're all done collecting all your money, you pass it down to somebody you designated as your inheritor. Your children, family members, whoever, charities, churches, whoever. But I just wanted you to see that. It costs you $5 for $1,000, but yet you just received a $20 bump. You just received a $20 bump in your monthly dividends. And let's say you put another $500, you put another $400. Well, Same thing will happen. You come back later on and you go to take more money, it's going to simply say, hey, you're taking $5,000. I did the math on that, by the way. $5,000 will cost you $26 at the current rate. $5,000 would cost you $26 a month. Can this handle that? $26? And it only keeps growing because you keep putting money into it. And even if you stop putting money into it, it's designed to continue growing because of those dividends, interest, and oh man, I almost had that word. I want to say combined interest. It's not combined interest. Wow, why am I forgetting this word? Anywho, I'm forgetting it. But again, they want you to be scared. And I don't think we need to be. I don't know. That's just my my observation here, you guys. I know it's scary, but again, we're not taking the money to YOLO. We're reinvesting the money. We're putting it towards things that make us more money. And even if you are taking the money for a vacation, taking the money for a car note, taking the money for your bills, do it responsibly like a credit card. Treat it just like a credit card. 30%. Don't spend more than 30%. Treat it like a credit card, you'll be fine. All the swings up and down the market makes, you will be fine if you treat it like a credit card. Don't exceed 30% on your borrow. And don't worry about paying it back because it will pay itself back. And that's the beauty of the family bank. And if you want to know more, you guys, please tap in. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3 in the Discord breaks everything down for you, making you an animal in the stock market. But definitely Step 3 Step 3, I believe, really breaks down the family bank some more for you. Start at the top of every tab, you guys. Don't start at the bottom. Don't go in the middle. That's premature, and you will make a mistake. Go all the way to the top, work your way down. If this video helped you, if you found value whatsoever, please please subscribe, share this with other people that can benefit from this information. Share this with someone who can really grow from this information. Don't keep it to yourself. Share the wealth, you guys. Let's go.